Scanning Guideline Initialization. The initialization of Lixel is the first and a crucial step for scanning. Adhering to standard operations helps a lot with scanning result. Place Lixel on a flat surface and start it while stationary after connecting. Ensure sufficient features as much as possible. The LiDAR needs to be aimed at the area with more features. Keep the LiDAR clear of obstructions. Avoid starting in feature-scarce environments like open fields, reflective glass areas, and areas with many moving objects such as swaying plants, dense traffic, and crowds. Once started, wait for the point cloud on the mobile interface count to 15 seconds, and gently lift the device for scanning, avoiding sudden movements. Now, you can proceed with the scan.